today I am going to show you how to make homemade dried strawberries. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. So let's get started. We're going to need just a few things. Our strawberries, fresh strawberries, and then you'll need a jar to store your dried strawberries in to condition them. And then you have your knife. We just need our dehydrator tray. If you're going to be doing this in the oven or in your air fryer, I have instructions in the blog post on how to do each of those methods too. Okay, so we have our strawberry, and the first thing we need to do is we need to take off the stem and take out the holes. So what I like to do with this is I just insert the knife and go around in a circle. Take out the hole. That is all you do to hold your berries. Now what we're going to do is just slice it. Now you can slice crossways like this. Ooh, they vary too much. The ones at the very bottom are really small. These are very, very big. So what I would suggest is you take the berry and you slice it lengthwise. And what you want to do is you want to try to get them all equal widths. And that's what we're looking for. If they are cut more uniformly, like these, you know, they're all about the same width, then they will dry at the same rate. So we're just going to finish up all of our berries and then we'll get ready to dry them. If you're liking this tutorial, be sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos available. Okay, so we have all of our strawberries sliced. So now we're going to take them and put them on the dehydrator tray. Arrange the strawberries in a single layer on the tray without them touching, so that way there's good air circulation around them. Our first tray all loaded. We're going to take this, put it in the dehydrator at 135 degrees for about 10 hours or until they are fully dried. Our dried strawberries are done, and here's a look at one up close. They're really thin now and they're crisp. I don't know if you can hear it. They'll stretch a little bit, but you'll hear a little snapping when they're done. You also want to look for any pockets of juice that's left. We are just going to take all of our dried or dehydrated strawberries and put them into a jar. And I really like these trays that go to the Excalibur because as you can see, you can kind of bend them and the strawberries will just pop right off for you. So that's why I really like this dehydrator, because of the kind of trays they have. I have both of our trays here in the jar, and what you want to do to condition them is you just want to put the lid on and just let it sit for a week, and then just give them a shake once a day, and that way you'll know if they're fully dry. I always condition them and then I put them in a vacuum seal bag so they will last the longest for me. That is how you make dried strawberries at home. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.